Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share winter special mixed vegetable khichuri recipe. Rice 1 cup. Mug dal 1/2 cup. Red lentils 1/3 cup. Mix. Water. Wash it. Drain the water out. Add more water and soak for 30 minutes. Mix vegetables. Wash before cuts. Cut all the veggies. Cauliflower. Potato. Carrots. Pumpkin. Long beans. Oil 1 cup. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Add potato. Fry a few seconds. Add all the veggies one by one. Fry 1 minute. Frozen chickpeas 1/2 cup. Cabbage 1 cup. Fry 1 minute. Take out veggies from the pan. Done. Oil 1/2 cup. Bay leaf 2 to 3 pieces. Add whole spices. Fry a few seconds. Onion 1/3 cup. Fry until light brown. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. Saute 1 minute. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Tomato 1 large. Saute 2 to 3 minutes. Add soaked rice and lentils. Stir and mix. Add hot water as required. Add fried veggies. Mix. Some green chili. Some spring onion. Cover and cook 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir. Oil 1/4 cup. Garlic 2 tablespoons. Onion 2 tablespoons. Fry a few seconds. Dried chili 4 pieces. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Fry a few seconds. Done. Add pourin. Mix. Fresh coriander leaf on top. Cover until served. Add clarified butter if you want. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.